Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using heavy and cumbersome vacuums to clean your home? Well, I've got the solution for you. The Shark WANDVAC Cordless Hand Vac is here to revolutionize the way you clean. This powerful little device is packed with features that will make cleaning a breeze. With its powerful cordless suction, you'll be amazed at how easily it picks up dirt and dust from any surface. The high-speed, brushless motor delivers unbelievable suction power, and the sound it makes is like a gentle hum, reassuring you that it's working hard to get the job done. This handheld vacuum is also ultra-lightweight, weighing in at just 1.4 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and clean hard-to-reach areas. The texture of the handle is smooth and comfortable to grip, allowing you to clean for extended periods without getting tired. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those who value convenience and ease of use. The filtration technology is also impressive, capturing dust and large debris with ease, and the detachable dust cup and easily removable filter housing make maintenance a breeze. The Shark WANDVAC Cordless Hand Vac is always ready to go, thanks to its sleek charging dock that keeps it charged and ready for action. Whether you're cleaning up crumbs from the kitchen counter or dust from the furniture, this handheld vacuum is the perfect tool for the job. It's also great for getting into tight spaces, like between car seats or under the couch, making it a must-have for anyone who wants a clean and tidy home. So why not give it a try? You won't be disappointed, and you'll be amazed at how much easier cleaning can be with the right tool. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.